it's finally here. The latest and greatest technology in tankless water heating, the Rheem Iconic. This water heater is something special. Built-in recirculation, built-in Wi-Fi, and there's a few other things that really make this thing special. Purchasing one will give you the ability to not only convert it in the field between natural gas and propane, but also between an indoor and an outdoor unit with the simple installation of an accessory that mounts to the top of the water heater. So let's see what it says here on the box. It's got a 15-year limited warranty on the heat exchanger, field convertible, as I mentioned, 2-inch PVC venting up to 70 feet, flex venting compatible. I don't know anybody that uses flex venting for water heaters, but it's compatible with that. Recirculation built in, Wi-Fi built in, 5-year limited parts warranty, 1-year limited labor warranty. This unit right here is the 199,900 BTU water heater, up to 11.2 gallons per minute, up to 4 bathrooms. So this will, in theory, take the place of 2 water heaters easily. If you have 2 water heaters in your garage or 2 in the attic and you want to get rid of those, get some higher efficiency, better performance type water heaters in there, you'll just need the one, and this is it. So what we're going to do right now in this first video is we're going to unbox this, go through what is included in the box and what else we may need in subsequent videos for the installation. Let's start. There, right up at the top of the box. All right, here's one bracket. Easy installation guide. Use and care manual. Certificate of limited warranty. Two vent screens. And a package of 8 screws. Package of 8 screws. And 8 washers as well. Okay, let's see. Here is the conversion kit. These water heaters come ready for natural gas. As mentioned, they can be converted to LP, propane, and here's the kit to do that and the instructions. A QR code for product information and documents. Okay, now before we stand this up, let's take a look at the bottom. Here is our incoming cold water. Incoming recirculation for dedicated recirc line, that's where it's going to tie back into the heater for the loop. Hot water outlet, gas inlet, and drain for the condensation. So a little bit of a change up on this unit from the older units or the units that were out before this one. This gas inlet is now on the left-hand side. That's not a big deal. Let's go ahead and stand this up. So here it is. Now we have the venting on top for exhaust and air intake. They are 2-inch. There's a bracket already mounted on the back side up top and the bottom as well. So here's your hanging bracket. Alrighty, so that'll mount up on the wall into some sort of a wood backing or wood stud support, and then you can hang your water heater up in there, get it in the right position, and secure it with some screws so that it can't move. So that's it on the unboxing section of this with your water heater, everything that was included. So if you do happen to pick one of these up and purchase one, unboxing it, you should know exactly what you're getting in the box. So we're gonna stop that right here, and we're gonna move on to our next video, and we're gonna convert this one from natural gas to propane. We're actually gonna be installing this one, putting it into service, excuse me, and we'll do some parts identification, sequence of operations, and we'll go through troubleshooting on this one and what particular codes it has and what goes where. So look forward to that. We'll convert this over to propane, and then we'll move on after that into installation.